Strut your stuff, girls.
Hold on, I want to take the pictures too. Big videoing?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay, pull up here and let me take a picture. Okay, stand still. Wait, is there another light? No, huh?
Hold on.
Turn that over close. Come on, everybody pose. Pretty pose. Okay, smile.
Wow, that is awesome.
Hold on, I have to do
Don't
one more.
move.
Do another one. Trini, come up here and lean down in front of sister. Now do a little bend down thing.
Do a little pose, baby, like,
Pose.
no?
Okay, fine. Good.
There you go.
Smiles. Smile. Come on, Destiny, get over. Smiles.
As the spirits of the Pico house seem to get a bit feisty with us.
Cute.
Wait, hold on.
Their
Look at me.